who are the typical kinds of stakeholders that you're usually working most closely with at data center operators and in enterprise data centers? Is it on the IT side? Is it the facilities side? Is there, in certain data centers, you find people that are focused just on materials handling?
We are working with different kinds in the different stage of the data center. Sometimes we work only to replace equipment, and in that case, it's often, if it's in the data center co-location, for instance, it could be the infrastructure manager. It could also be somebody responsible to exchange a lifter from another. That's the most standardized sales, I would say. There we can often propose standard products with some adaptation because the height is not the same, etc. But sometimes we also are into project from the beginning, and there we are not perhaps with the architects from the beginning, but we are rather close to, I would say, the end of the delivery of the building, because there we can deliver new lifters, and we also have products for logistics, which means that crash carts and togs, etc., which could also be used to transport the racking system. So it's depend a little bit. And then we also have this category of client, which is companies on sites, banking, assurance company. There we are more to general, I would say, equipment department. And there we are mostly into a general, call it purchase procedure. So we also have to adapt ourselves when we're going to see a client. We need to listen a lot. If it's only replacement, a price, delivery time, a load, of course, we can reply to that. But sometimes the questions are more complicated. We need to go in for, I would say, some kind of tenders. We have to adapt the equipment. We have to make some specials.